Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on 6 to 8 large eggs. Carefully place them in a single layer in a saucepan. Add enough cold water to cover the eggs by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately remove the pan from the heat and cover it. Let the eggs sit for 12 minutes. After the eggs have rested, transfer them to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Once cooled, gently tap each egg on a hard surface and roll it to crack the shell all around. Peel the eggs under cool running water, which helps separate the shell from the egg white. Then, carefully slice each egg in half lengthwise. Now for the delicious filling. Carefully scoop all the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Use a fork to mash them thoroughly until they are completely smooth, with no lumps. Add about 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of your favorite mustard. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper. Mix everything together until it's well combined and creamy. Finally, it's time to assemble your deviled eggs. You can use a small spoon to carefully fill each egg white half with the creamy yolk mixture, or for a fancier look, pipe it in. Finish with a light sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color and a hint of flavor. For an extra touch, add some fresh chopped chives or a sprig of dill. Chill your deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.